Cappuccino? Please.
No, grazie. Magari un goccetto d'acqua.
Is that what you said? Coffee?
Grazie.
Yeah. I didn't know if it was an Italian word for, do you want some help? I was like, oh, cappuccino. So you can see that we're all on the way, prepping all of the models. Dave is just blow drying and styling and then cutting some of the rest. I've just finished colouring one of my models that I'm going to be doing the technique on today. And then in here, what we have is like the I think this is where everyone's going to gather before the actual show. And yeah, so all down here, everyone's just prepping. And then behind me, that's the hotel lobby. And what an amazing sort of setting. All out here, looks amazing. So yeah, we're just going to prep and everything, get ready for the rest of the day. My model is out there. I've just put some foils in. David's just done a really sort of punky haircut. I was, my colour was like dictated by the placement of the sort of disconnection and everything like that. But it's something that we want to, she's originally like a level, what about a level 6? And then with some lighter sort of copper pieces running through the front. And then what we're doing is we're going to be taking it lighter. We're going to try and get to platinum because we want to tone it to like using the quick tones possibly, like silver and violet. If we can't do that, we're going to work with the 6SB and the 10V. We want it to be really crisp and cool. And the overall colour is going to be really deep and rich violet. So we're working with the 3VV and the 4N. We want to just drop it that little bit and flatten it off a tiny bit. But then when it comes to, we saw that violet sort of coming through. So I'll probably go like 2 lots of 3V to one part 4N. But there it is, makeup artist is down there just prepping, and then we've got the clothes stylist who is arrived and she's just getting all the models prepped. So yeah, let's get ready for the show. So day 1, we're just about to head to the show. It's going to be amazing. All the models are all prepped, we're all dressed, ready to go. So let's get on the stage.
Come avete potuto notare dalle immagini e come vi sto mostrando, abbiamo ricreato questa scalatura che vuole appositamente mettere in risalto la profondità della testa con questa scalatura che cade all'altezza del precipitale.
So from there, I'm going to start moving in through the side. I'm going to start pivoting from the crown area.
E successivamente siamo partiti dall'area dell'area di corona. Cercherò adesso quella che è la mia partizione attiva.
And then from there, I'm going to just elongate.
And then in a second, when we're back again, there's another big kind of change. Che è esattamente quello che si è verificato anche in questa circostanza nel taglio che sta personalizzando David, dove è stato un cambio di colore per così dire radicale, dove sono stati differenti passaggi che abbiamo effettuato per raggiungere questo tipo di livello alternando differenti livelli e toni. So we can bring up the full picture of Fortunata. Se riusciamo a mostrare invece adesso l'immagine di Fortunata. see again, we've got a grown out sort of ombre.
That is it. That is us done the day one show. Amazing. I've got some like backstage footage that I'll be showing with this. So yeah, I just want to say amazing. Well done to all Joico Italia, and thank you for inviting me. I'm just running up to get my camera because we're going to be taking a picture of all the models and all the team. I want to be getting a bit more footage as well.
No, però tu ci fai pregnare. Come no?
Sto in vena.
Ma ha fatto i calici, questa è in vena.
Aspetta. Allora. Ah, ce ne stiamo.
Ma no, 2 al massimo, vai.
Vuole facciamo 2 a 2?
Put my own man here.